Firstly, open up Binance app. Once you open the app, click on More. Then scroll down to the bottom and click on API Management. In API Management, under Label API tab, key in UBOT AI. Then click on Create API. Then you have to get verification code for both phone and email. Click on Get Code and wait for the verification codes. Once received, key in the codes to the respective box. Then click Submit. After created, click on Edit and click on the small arrow to expand the page. Then under API Restrictions, tick on Enable Spot and Margin Trading. Then under IP Access Restrictions, select Restrict Access to Trusted IPs Only. Then in the empty box, key in UBOT AI's IP addresses. You may get the IP addresses from our customer service. After you have entered the IP address, scroll up and click Save. Then you have to get the phone verification code by clicking Get Code. After you key in the verification code, click Submit. Now you have to open up UBOT AI app. In UBOT AI, go to Home. Then go to API Connection. Then select Binance. Then click on Add API Key. And now you have to copy both API key and secret key from Binance app. After you have done, copy both keys into UBOT AI, click on Import. Finally, you have done binding the API.